a severe weather bulletin. Severe thunderstorm watch number 404 remains in effect until 11 a.m. and now includes the following: Lake Michigan from Sturgeon Bay to Sheboygan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a severe weather bulletin.